The Maninkari are beings of light and wisdom, holding distinct frequencies that support awakening and higher understanding. Through their presence, crystal energy becomes a bridge to clarity, serenity, and transformation. In the Maninkari introduction book, you were invited to meet them, to sense their light and begin to feel their message. Now the journey continues. Lumira, the princess of illumination, radiates a light that dissolves confusion, awakens the inner vision of the soul, and reminds you that the answers you seek have always lived within. Serenara, the presence of peace, brings stillness where turbulence once stirred. Her gentle energy restores balance to the heart, harmony to the mind, and teaches the quiet strength found in calm. Zenith, elder of wisdom, embodies direct, powerful guidance, awakening courage, purpose, and higher consciousness in those willing to truly listen. Together, these beings offer frequencies you can attune to, a living journey of connection, experience, and insight for those open to exploring their presence. If you've enjoyed the introduction book, the journey continues with the first Maninkari Course, where you can meet Lumira, Serenara, and Zenith fully and experience their guidance in depth. Discover more and begin your journey here, the Maninkari Call.